In this video, I'm going to show you how can one work on Google Sheet. So first of all, you have to ensure that you have downloaded the Sheet from the Play Store. If it is not there, then you have to tap on this Play Store icon and it will take you to the downloading site. Okay, so here you have to type Google Sheet. Here you can see Google Sheet. Because I have already downloaded, so it's showing open, otherwise it will show download. And on clicking this clicking the download button, that will appear here, the sheet will be downloaded on your mobile phone. Now you can see the Google Sheet is already downloaded here. So first of all, you have to ensure that you have downloaded the Google Sheet. Now if you have been given some assignment to do something on the Google Sheet or using the Google Classroom, you have to go to your respective class, and just after tapping on the class, you will find that which class you have been given the task. You have to open that particular class, and here I'm just showing that I have got one assignment here, attendance. So this is what I'm going to ask you also, so that's why I'm showing you here. I have tap on this, and here you can see mass attendance. One sheet is there, then you have to tap on that. So here you can see button is there, you have to just tap on that button, and you will be taken to another screen. So here the sheet is open now, and basically I want you can see some data is already there, and maybe you have been asked to do something on this sheet. So here are the name of the students, okay, and suppose you have been asked to mark your presence for the month of April or May. So you can see that, okay, April 1, 2, 3, like this, the dates are there, and here you can see your names are there. Okay, so if you have been asked to mark your presence there, you have to just click on the cell that is against your name. Okay, like this, just scroll up and down, wherever you find your name you have to mark your attendance there. Let's say this is for the April 2nd, April 1st. Okay, and let's say this is Parthi Dobrial. So here you have to, if your keyboard is not visible, you have to just click here and your keyboard will be visible there, and then you can write, let's say P, then move to the next. This is Sunday or holiday, the red cells, so not to make any entry in that. Then again P, okay, moving to the next, and P, suppose you are absent on a particular day, so A, again let's say P, try to enter the letter in capital. Okay, then let's say P, okay, like this. So you have to fill up to where you have been provided the dates here. Okay, and after that, once you have done with this, what you have to do, you have to click on this. You can see one tick sign is there, this one. Okay, so you have to click here. So done, and again one more tick sign is here. Okay, so you have to click this one also. Now you have to close the sheet by tapping on this cross button. Okay, now here you have to go back on tapping on this back arrow. So this is done. Now your work is done. Now you have to submit it. For that, you can see one arrowhead is there, so just tap on that arrowhead, and here you can see mark as done. So if you just tap on this mark as done, and again message is okay, here again you have to tap on mark as done. If you want to cancel it, you can tap on cancel, but if you are sure that you want to submit it, just tap on mark as done. So on tapping on the mark as done, you can see your work is submitted. It's showing is returned. Okay, so that means your work is submitted. So this is all you have to do. Thank you.